found food on the boat. Oh my gosh. I'll take you back. Oh my gosh, so cute. This is a first. A little finch on the boat looking for food. He found a moth already and he's drinking water. John is over there. He's almost up. Oh my god, he's so cute. You stay with us. We'll take you back. We're almost done. Come here. I want to hold you. Oh my gosh, you're so cute. I'm gonna keep him until we get to the dock. Hi, little fella. I gotta watch for John. Hi. Hi. Oh my gosh. Hi, little fella. Get out of the rain. John's back.
Do you have hot water?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes. You stay here. Don't leave. Oh, he's so cute. I give him, I think, I have some. John's back. Saw a tiger. Male tiger, right?
Male tiger.
How big do you think he was?
8 foot. Kind of small for a tiger.
You have video?
Hey, we got a little birdie on the boat.
He's so cute.
Hey, little birdie. Come here.
Let's go. Let's go back to the marina. We made it. The bird made it.
We get blown away, baby.
You gotta sing in the rain. Oh, he's a duck.